intro. I tried, but let's get into this hair. Welcome back, babies. It's your girl, me, back again with another video. And as y'all can tell by the title, I will be doing another wig install from Amazon. For the ones that's new here, hey, welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And the ones that's been here, just give a thumbs up and like this video and stay tuned. If you want to see how this beautiful Amazon wig turned out, stay tuned. I'm not gonna keep y'all for long. I'm gonna hop right into this video. You feel what I'm trying to say? And I didn't do too much. Real simple, real easy. No, I lied. Actually, it was a little struggle. But it's okay, we got through it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Just showing y'all real quick on how it look without glue. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. Finna take off the band. Okay. I feel like I should clean it up a little bit because this is not how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna fix the legs. Calm down. I'll be back when I get all the glue and stuff off. Look, I'm not. I don't know. like this video if you watched it all the way to the end. And now I will be rating this hair. Honestly, I give this hair probably like a 6.5, and my reason is I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it shed. This bad boy shed, but the bad boy sheds, and I give it like a 5 out of 10, like the shedding wise. With my curler, and it didn't stay, but it did a little something. But it's okay, cause it still came out a little cute or whatever. I tried. Hey, I love it, but at the same time, I'm kind of iffy about it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this is not the best top tier wig that I had, okay? But for the ones who know and the ones who don't know, Amazon wigs are banger now. Like, they're banger. And this is a 20-inch, like I said, 13 by 6. So not too much parting space, but just enough, if you feel what I'm trying to say. But yeah, overall the hair was 7.5. Thank you once again. I enjoyed y'all. Hope y'all love my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram and my TikTok at Mimi with 2 eyes at the end .Taylor. And stay tuned, because more videos are coming soon. Okay. Deuces.